Are you wondering how to use peppermint essential oil at home? Or what is the best way to use peppermint essential oil? Is it safe to inhale peppermint oil? In this video, I'm going to talk about all those questions and more. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer Snell and I am a Blue Diamond Leader in doTERRA and an essential oil educator. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified every time I upload a brand new video. I have been doing doTERRA as a business for 11 years and have helped thousands of individuals create freedom through the financial stability of running their own business with doTERRA. Essential oils can naturally boost your immune system so that you feel amazing. And I'm excited to teach you the power of essential oils and show you simple oil applications. If you stick to the end of the video, I have a bonus for you where I share how to download my free PDF where I share 5 tips to boost your immune system naturally, so that you feel fabulous all year long. You will get various approaches on how to boost your immune system, easy steps to follow, and an essential oil usage tips, along with a bonus recipe that I like to use to boost my immune system. Alrighty then, let's get started and talk about peppermint. doTERRA peppermint essential oil is sourced in the Pacific Northwest. This peppermint farm has been in the family for generations. doTERRA sources its oils from where that plant grows indigenous. When the plant is grown in the ideal climate, soil, and elevation, you're gonna get a superior oil for health benefits. doTERRA sources its oils from over 45 countries, which more than half of that are considered to be developing countries. To ensure farmers and harvesters are treated fairly, doTERRA introduced an initiative called Co-Impact Sourcing. Peppermint essential oil has a sharp, sweet smell, and it has the ability to give you a boost of energy. Peppermint is great for relieving head and neck tension. It opens up your airways and supports oral health. Using peppermint essential oil internally for digestive support, you can simply add a few drops into your smoothie or taking a few drops in an empty capsule. You could even add a drop to your tea. Did you know that just 1 drop of peppermint essential oil is equivalent to 28 cups of peppermint tea? Essential oils are powerful. A little goes a long ways. Need a pick-me-up? Simply just add a drop of peppermint along with frankincense in the palm of your hand, rub your hands together, cup it over your nose, and breathe deeply. Peppermint is powerful at supporting your emotions. It can reduce sad and anxious feelings by calming the mind and helping you feel exhilarated. Want to keep the creepy crawly spiders out of your home? Add a few drops of peppermint to cotton balls and then place those cotton balls around your home. You can also create a spray by adding some peppermint essential oil along with some water and then spray around your house to keep pests away. What is your favorite way to use peppermint essential oil? Comment below. We would love to learn from your experience. doTERRA peppermint essential oil is safe to use aromatically, internally, and topically. When using it topically, I would recommend using a carrier oil to dilute the oil. This will help cover a larger area on your body and help the oil penetrate through your skin. Peppermint essential oil is cooling due to the menthol chemical component. To cool your body, apply peppermint topically. I have created a spray bottle with peppermint along with some water, and then when I'm feeling a little hot, I just spray my body down. If you live in a hot climate, then this is gonna be great for you. Or ladies, hot flashes. You'll want to create a spray bottle for yourself. Another way I like to use peppermint essential oil is by adding it to my frosting for either a cake or brownies. They are delicious. But remember, essential oils are potent, so you only need a few drops. All right, you made it to the end. Yay! It's bonus time! So, you can download my free PDF where I share 5 tips on how to naturally boost your immune system so that you feel fabulous all year long. You will get various approaches on how to boost your immune system, easy steps to follow, and an essential oil usage tip, along with a bonus recipe that I like to use to boost my immune system. If you want to learn more about essential oils, go ahead and scan my QR code to register for my next essential oil class. And if you are ready to get started with essential oils and get them in your home, then go ahead and scan this QR code to pick your starter kit. I would love to be your oily gal to support you along this journey. And if you are wondering if you can do this as a business, you can. I am looking for someone to partner with who loves to help people, who can follow a system, and is passionate about natural living. If that is you, then I want to partner with you. All you have to do is pick a starter kit and book an appointment with me. You can find all the links that we've talked about today in the description below. Make sure to like my video if this video has been helpful to you, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell if you want to be notified every time I upload a brand new video. Also, check out my other videos on this channel. Have a blessed day. Bye!